Today in Art of the Face with a little bit of grace, we're going to talk about blush color. So a blush color for mature skin should be a cream. If it's a powder, it's going to accentuate your wrinkles. Cream is best because it moves with your mature face, whether we're laughing, crying, shouting, all of the emotions that we go through, it's going to be forgiving. So what we're going to do is take a blush and bronzer brush, the small end, you can also use your fingers, and we're going to apply the same color I applied on my lips. So we're going to again use the same principle of tapping on the makeup. Have grace with your face, less is best. So tap and then apply above the contour. So what we're really focusing on is having a contour, taking your lower finger on the contour, and this is where your blush will be. So it's going to marry the two. Now on the contour, we were blending back and forth and upward. With a blush color, we're going to tap downward. So it's a smooth transition with no harsh lines. Blush is the life of the painting, ladies. And we want to apply it towards the back of the temple area. We don't want to go into the temple area because that's just going to sink in your temples. But we do want to go towards that area again above. So let's start at the top. Don't start here in the center of your face because a lot of the product will be distributed right there and it's going to be harder to blend because you may have a tendency to go way too much in the dabbing and then you look like a clown. So start at the temple area, right through here, right near the ear, above the contour, and tap downward. Stop at the corner of your eye. I'm gonna look in my mirror, towards my ear, tap, tap, tap. There's the corner, and then blend upward by tapping downward in an upward motion. This gives a flesh color on your mature skin, just a little bit of cheek color. We don't want to apply it directly on the apples of our cheeks because when you smile and you would do this, right? Apply a blush to the center of your face, and then when you stop, what happens as you mature, the skin, it lands here. So you could have blush towards the lower part of your mouth. So we really want to focus on that lift, and we can do that by going above the contour and not in the center of your face on those apples. Avoid. The rule of thumb is usually 3 fingers, not 2 fingers. It's still going to be too low. Go 3 fingers. Imagine a line, imaginary line all the way down. So we don't want to extend beyond that line. We also don't want to do is go below the contour in the hollows of our cheeks. That's also going to age us. And whatever face shape you have, you will want to follow your bone structure. So wherever you've applied your contour underneath the cheekbone, go right above it. As you're applying, just remember, lift is the goal. Let's go on the other side. Tap. Now, I do recommend using maybe 1 tap of that blush, and you can always add more if you want more pop. We're going to start at the top. Work our way down, stop at the corner of the eye, and then tap downward. We're never swiping on any of our makeup, and tap to blend. And that completes your lesson on applying a cheek color. In my next Art of the Face series, I will be going over powder application on a mature face. I can't wait to see you. And always remember, here, makeup is never rushed, never harsh, never about fixing. It's about honoring your face, taught with a little bit of grace. Thank you for being here, and see you on my next lesson.